Oh, hey Jesse, how's it going? Good color studies here. Few things that I need you to pay attention to in terms of composition now, and just overall perspective. Okay. Now, here's a few things. Well, overall your colors are looking fairly good. But one thing we have to understand is, look, this image here is really describing what this top surface is looking like. Okay, and you're not really describing that here. We have to really see that this is the top surface. Okay, getting hit with a certain value, and then the side is getting hit with another value. Okay, and another shade of green. So, and then which is not too visible here. So we have to kind of simplify these down a little bit. Um, I'm not kind of sure why there's so much curvature here, especially if we're trying to do like a very obvious kind of straight, like a study. So try to think about that. Also, perspective-wise, is we really have to understand what we're painting. Don't just copy what you're seeing, because in a lot of these images, we're starting to really see what these shapes are doing, um, because of the shadows. Okay, now we could see that there's a certain definite light side and shadow side. Okay, and the way these are being carved out are very, very precise to the way things are being lit. Okay, shadow side, light side. Okay, so but what's happening over here is we're not really translating that the right way. So please pay attention to that a bit more. It's not just kind of copying what you're seeing. I need you to understand what you're seeing. Same thing here, perspective. We can start to see how all of this stuff is starting to line up, even with the bricks on the ground, just finding the vanishing point. But where are your indications aren't really following anything. So that's something that I need you to pay attention to is paint what you understand. You have to understand what you're painting. As a concept artist, it's very, very important.